I've been going through way too long. I can't believe I'm still holding on. Been trying hard to increase my faith, but it feels like it's way too late. The preacher said it's already done. If I believe in Jesus the Son, I got a feeling that it might be right. I'm in the tunnel, but I see the light. I can't repeat this cycle again. Oh, today it comes to an end. Oh, it's been long enough. I have had enough. I declare today that things are changing right now.
It's been long enough.
Oh,
I have had enough.
I declare
today
things are changing right now. Why is my life the way that it is? I'm trying to figure out what I did. What's up with all this pain and hurt? A lot of it I feel I didn't deserve. Still I know it came to make me stronger, but I don't wanna deal with it no longer. Today I wipe these tears from my eyes. I appreciate this gift called life. I can't repeat this cycle again, yeah. Oh, today it comes to an end. Ooh,
it's been long enough.
it's been long enough.
I have had enough.
I have shown up had enough.
I declare today
That things are changing right now.
it's been long enough.
Oh, I've been waiting a long time,
I
y'all.
have had enough.
I'm so tired. I declare today things are changing right now. No matter where you are, I want you to believe it, that everything can change right now, at this very moment. Now I'm only talking to the people that are sick and tired of being sick and tired, and you want God to show up in your life and turn that thing around. If that's you, help me sing it.
right now. Right now. Right now. Things are changing right now.
Right now,
Right now.
my past is over.
Right now.
Future looks much brighter
Right now.
because
Things are changing
oh, right now,
right now.
everything is going well.
Right now.
'Cause I got a story to tell.
Right now.
That things are changing.
Things are changing right
Oh, I want my anointing.
right now.
Give me back my peace, yeah.
Right now.
I want my deliverance.
Right now.
Because things are
changing
oh, right now.
right now.
Oh, right now.
Right now.
Ooh, right now.
Right now.
Things are changing.
Things are changing
I
right
want my healing back.
right now.
I want my breakthrough.
Right now.
I need my family. Because things are changing. Yes, they are. Ooh, right now. I can't repeat the cycle again. Oh, today it comes to an end. Oh, it's been long enough, and I have had enough. And I declare today that things are changing right now. I've been going through way too long. I can't believe I'm